To start with Scratch development, we can simply open the Internet browser and go to the Scratch official website. We can find and click on the Start Creating button. This will start loading the Scratch environment as an application in the browser. Once the environment is loaded, a default empty project is created for us. There is also a default pop-up for the tutorial. We can simply close it for now. Let's first take a look on the menu bar. The first menu shows the Scratch logo. If you click on it, it will bring you back to the Scratch official website. The second menu is a drop-down selection box, which allows you to select the language you want to use in the development environment. There is a long list of language support as you can see here. The File menu will allow us to open a new project, loading an existing project from the computer, or save the current project into the computer. The Edit menu allows us to restore objects in case if we have removed some objects by mistake. And we can also make use of the Turn on Turbo mode to make the program run faster. We will see how this works in action later. The tutorial menu contains a lot of examples provided by the official Scratch website, which you can follow and learn if you need more ideas for your Scratch projects. At the right-hand side, the Join Scratch menu allows you to create a Scratch user account. With the user account, you can share your project with the Scratch community. If you already signed up an account, you can sign in through the Sign In menu. Now, we can look at the content area. The left-hand side panel contains 3 tabs. The first tab is the Coding tab, where you can select and use the coding construction box to create your programs. The Custom tab allows you to create and edit customs for sprites. A sprite is a character or object you will use in your project. The Sounds tab allows you to record and edit the sounds for the sprite. The middle panel is the Context panel. Depends on whether you are using the code or custom or sounds. It will show you different things here. You can drag and drop the coding construction box to compose your program if you are using the coding panel. The top right-hand side panel is the stage where you can put sprites and backdrops to compose your animations or stories. Below the stage panel, there is a sprite panel where you can choose existing sprites or create a new sprite for the project. Next to it is the stage backdrop panel, where you can choose an existing backdrop or create a new backdrop here. We just had a quick walkthrough of the Scratch development environment. We will get deeper understanding of the Scratch features in the next video.